beautiful thing about network marketing is the blueprint is already laid out for you. You just got to follow the blueprint. So I learned some specific social media systems and some specific business building systems from Cash to Great and Vic Marie. And at the end of the day, I'm about to just apply the systems. And as I apply the systems, I should be able to duplicate it and grow my business. But the goal is P5. I got to get better with training my people, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like I personally know a lot. I know a lot, but I feel like I need to build more leaders and I need my team to do what I can do. But once again, it all comes from systems. So the downfall of being smart or sometimes smart people overthink things, you know what I'm saying? I personally feel like I overthink things. So I'm about to simplify everything and get some cold systems down packed so they can just apply it and duplicate it and do what works. So once again, this is my truth about Forex. If you're in the business and you having problems, you need to contact your mentorship right now and find out what the system is. Because if it's anybody P5 or higher, they didn't get there through luck. They got there through a skill set and a system. So if you struggling, if you a P150, if you a P6, and you looking to expand, contact your mentorship now and be like, what's the system? What system do I need to apply? Because at the end of the day, your mentorship is following the chairman system. And even those chairmen is following the higher chairman system. So it's all a program and an operation. So that's the best advice I got for y'all. And that's what I'm about to apply right now. Because I'm about to hit P5 ASAP because it's time to stop playing. And I mean, I ain't playing, but you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, you playing until you chairman. It's a game until you hit chairman, you know what I'm saying? So that's all I got for y'all, man. I'm just out here enjoying myself, having a little fun, get some contact with the fam over here. And at the end of the day, man, this is my truth about Forex. I know y'all usually see me like in the office or in my room, but like we out here, you know what I'm saying? So that's all I got for y'all. Truth about Forex. See y'all at the top, because the bottom is way too common.
Everybody that responds.
To turn up in your business so you can turn up every day and treat every day like it's Friday.
It's the money train coming. You don't want to get left on the platform. You feel me? So you definitely need to get in contact with me so we can put you in the game that I'm learning. You feel me? That we learning. We got $1 million mentor Cash to Great. You feel me? We got people all over the world joining this. Why not join? Why not want to get rich? Why you want to work a 9 to 5 for the rest of your life? There's cheat codes to the game. It's a secret society. You feel me?